Cocoa. Noun. The dried and partially fermented fatty seeds of the cacao tree from which chocolate is made. Cocoa. Noun. An unsweetened brown powder made from roasted, ground cocoa beans, used in making chocolate, and in cooking. Cocoa. Noun. A hot drink made with milk, cocoa powder, and sugar. Do you like cocoa? Cocoa. Noun. A serving of this drink. I like to watch TV with a cocoa. Cocoa. Noun. A light to medium brown color. Cocoa. Adjective. Of a light to medium brown color, like that of cocoa powder. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.